Let's find out new updates on COVID-19 matters. Stay with us.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diaries.
COVID-19 Diary.
Today is March 4th, 2021. The world has recorded 115,838,480 COVID-19 cases, 91,526,508 people have recovered from the virus. Sadly, 2,573,247 people have passed away. Condolences again to all bereaved families. Let's continue to adhere to safety protocols wherever we are, as some of us are getting ready to actually go in for the vaccine. For those of us who still are very skeptical about it, let's continue to adhere till we make up our minds, yes? But the earlier the better, just you should know. Let's move on to find out what's the figures are looking like on the continent of Africa.
COVID-19 Africa. COVID-19 Africa. Daily updates.
In Africa today, March 4th, 2021, 3,954,668 people are infected with the virus. And then 3,517,537 have recovered so far. And 104,851 people have passed away. So everyone who lost their loved ones due to COVID-19, or I mean, it could be another, underlying health conditions and what have you. Condolences. I mean, it's not a good experience to lose someone that you cherish, you love, you so admire. Experiencing that. I mean, feeling that way. It's not a good feeling at all. I'm telling you from experience and all of that. So let's take hearts, but let's continue to be safe by adhering to all the COVID-19 safety protocols. South Africa, still the epicenter on the continent of Africa, with 1,516,262. 50,366 people have passed away in South Africa from COVID-19. Western Sahara, still the country in Africa with the least number of infected persons, with just 10. Now, DR Congo have also received their own doses of AstraZeneca vaccines via the COVAX facility. That's 1.7 million doses of COVID-19 AstraZeneca vaccines touched down in Kinshasa, the capital city of DR Congo. So, yeah, they are also getting ready to start vaccinating all of those who qualify or those who are ready to be vaccinated at the moment. And it's very, very important that we, get on board. It's not harmful like some of us, are mythically informed. But then again, it still boils down to your own conscience. If you decide, okay, but I think sometimes you'd want to consider doing the right thing as early as possible. So yeah, but there's this disturbing news in South Africa, which is, I think, one of the reasons why some people would argue why they wouldn't go in for the vaccine, because thousands of fake coronavirus vaccines seized in South Africa and China. Now, police have seized thousands of counterfeit coronavirus vaccines in South Africa and China and have made more than 80 arrests after a criminal network selling the fake jabs was uncovered. This is reported by Interpol. That was yesterday. Now, in South Africa, police officers found 400 ampoules of fake vaccines equivalent to around 2,400 doses at a warehouse just outside Johannesburg. A large quantity of fake 3M masks were also found, and police arrested 3 Chinese nationals and a Zambian national. Now, that is very worrying. Now, Interpol alerts leads to dismantling of fake COVID-19 vaccines. This is a tweet by Interpol. In as much as people, you see, this is what we're talking about. Now, these are some of the reasons why some people out there would be very, very reluctant in taking the vaccine, which you cannot, blame them because of some of these developments. Miscreants just taking advantage of the vulnerability of some people in some places, and then, issuing out fake things that I think I can say that would actually be very detrimental to human life because you don't know the composition of this particular fake vaccines that they have stored in this warehouse and all of that, and the nose masks so well. So it's very dicey. So kudos to Interpol for coming out with this particular revelation, and other countries as well. I think vigilance should be on the high alert because you'd never know. You would never know. So wherever you're going for your vaccines and what have you, make sure it's a credible, a reputable organization. Don't just go anywhere because they've said, okay, this particular institution is also vaccinating people. Be very sure and certain. And I believe there are issuance of cards or something to prove that, or a certificate or something to prove that you've actually gone in for the vaccine and where you went in for it. So some of these issues can be addressed in terms of future mishaps and what have you. For more information on COVID-19, log on to africaglobalradio.com.